Do you want to turn off or to disable GitHub Copilot in the GitHub app quickly? In this video, I will show you how to disable Copilot on the GitHub app step by step so you can work without AI suggestions if you prefer full control over your code. So let's get to see how it works. The first thing you have to do is to go to GitHub. Look at this. In this first page, you will go to the sign of profile. So you tap on profile. After that, you will click on settings. You will enter to settings. Then here on settings, you will find this window of Copilot. So you will tap on Copilot here. And then as you see, you will find this feature. You will disable it. Then you can know how to disable hide Copilot. As you see here, hides the floating Copilot button across the app, so it will be disabled like this. So if you are enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe. See you next time.